Right, so here I am out in the wind on a Sunday, doing my favourite thing on my day off, whippersnipping. Something I don't do all week, so yeah, I'm only joking. But yeah, I thought I'd finish off our driveway here with the whippersnipper. A couple of chooks here to help me. Gee, it's windy, the grass will probably just go everywhere, which actually can be quite useful sometimes. But yeah, I'll put the camera down and get to work. So I found a little egg just sitting in there. That there, a crow will come and eat that. If it doesn't fall off on its own, that is. But basically what I want to show here is when you're whippersnipping these fences like this, there's always that bottom one. And if you can get the whippersnipper just under that, yeah, it makes it a lot easier because you know exactly where to go. And these tufts of grass always seem to want to grow just underneath the wire, and then they push up and then it warps everything. But if you've got the time and prepared to do that little bit extra, it's always best to whippersnip under that bottom piece of wire. Also, then you won't be hitting this with the whippersnipper cord and breaking it all the time, so that won't snap it. It's just better. I mean, most farmers with big paddocks and huge properties will use Roundup. However, we don't use Roundup in here whatsoever. There is no poison going in here, just because it kills all the little insects and things that make all the flowers look nice. So what I do is I just whippersnip under that bottom wire all the way along, and that looks after the fence, and it gives you a place to whippersnip. It gives you a real target, so you know exactly what you're doing. There's no whippersnipping up and down the fence like a fool. You just go straight along that wire. Okay, I'll get back to it. I'll move up a bit. Yeah, hey, there we go, stop. Oh, listen, at least the hat listens. No one else listens to me, but my hat did. Anyway, that's the end of that. I'll have to think about the other side. It's not as important as that side because the cows are about to move into there. So the fence, whenever there's long grass on this side, they try and reach through and eat it. So it's got to go. So now they're more likely to stay over there. That's the plan.